Okay, so we're given this velocity graph. I'm gonna bring it over here just to see it better. But yeah, it's really simple. This is the position or how much he moved, and this is the time. So basically, if we're gonna want to find 0 to 2, we want to know where did he start and where did we end, because the velocity equation is the change in x, right? Over the change in time. So if the change in x is right, he starts at 0, so we can put that there. We want to find his final, just 10. 10 minus 0, we want to find the time, use that 0 minus the time. So he's ended at 2. His is going to be 5 meters per second. Okay, next one, 0 to 4. The change in, we want to, it's basically, I should have wrote the equation, but the change in velocity, displacement is y xf minus x. xf, don't get too worked up with the numbers and like the letters. Listen, x final and x initial. So what's this x final? So I think x initial is easier because you're just looking at it at 0, right? Where is he? He's at 0. So 0 and then final, we're gonna want to look on the chart where he goes for, okay, he's right here. And that goes to 5. And yeah, so what's the total time? Total time is 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0, 5 or 4. I think it's 1.25. Okay, now 2 to 4. So at 2, what is our 2 to 4? Okay, at 2, where are we on the map? We're at 10. So that's our initial. So 10. We want to know where did we end? We ended at 4. So we go to 4, and then we want to know where we are. We're at 5. So 5 minus 10, and then the total time, right? It's 4 minus 2, because time final minus time initial. Um, yeah. So negative 5 over 2, which is negative 2.5. Or actually, it's negative 1.5. I don't even trust myself anymore. Yeah, negative 2.5 meters per second. Lastly, we want to know, oh, there's actually 2 more questions. Okay, 4 to 7. I need to be more, I'm gonna work on my neatness. 4 to 7, okay? Where are we at 4? We're at 5. So let's write the 5. Where are we at 7? Okay, let's go to 7. We're at, I don't even know if that's a 6 or 5. I'm gonna go with the 5 there. Just I feel like they wanted to be neat, but they sold. So let's say it's a 5, 5 or 6 doesn't matter. You're never gonna get a, like it's never gonna be that bad on your exam. You can ask the teacher. Um, it's negative 5. I'm sorry. So if yeah, that's negative 5, and the total time, right? 7 minus 4. So negative 10 divided by 3, negative 3.33 meters per second. Last question. 0 to 8. Okay, this is the easiest one. Just because all right. At 0, where are we? Our x initial or our position or on the graph, we're at 0. Okay, now we're at 0. But at 8 seconds, we're also at 0. So it doesn't matter what it is, but you could still do it. 0 minus 8. 0 divided by 8 is 0. And so these are the answers. If you have any questions, if I should have explained it better, any like suggestions, let me know in the comments.